यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good morning, my dear loving children. Now when I talk to you, I always feel that you should be accompanied by your parents, because the parents are the one who always insist their children to adopt those habits which are very fruitful for the children. Because under the garb of childhood and that I am a child, no, I will do it next time, which I had very at the outset mentioned is having one typical characteristics, that is called narcissist disorder or narcissist tendency. That means that every child is under self-smugness. He is self-smug. He is, internally satiated. That whatever he knows, it is sumptuous enough. Nothing more needs to be added to his reservoir of knowledge. So that's very dangerous, because satisfaction is the end of progress. The moment you realize that you know enough, that is the day when you should think that you are going towards regression. You are not progressing, you are going downwards. So, my dear children, the word which I have chosen today is spunky. S-P-U-N-K-Y, spunky. Initially, I was having choice between two words, brave and spunky. But I chose this word spunky because it is having different facets. Brave is, of course, one of the synonyms of the word spunky. But I chose a word which is having larger facets of explanation. Because sometimes people misunderstand. Arey, kya sir word choose kiye? Very simple, brave, bahadur, bacha. Bahadur army, no? But that is not so easy. Of course this is easy, but you have to understand the different facets under which you are just trying to memorize the word. So I'll try to amplify the meaning of the word spunky today. S-P-U-N-K-Y, spunky. What does spunky mean? Now before explaining the meaning of the word, I'll explain. हमारे बिहार में एक प्रॉब्लम है, हर चीज़ को आदर्श हम लोग नहीं बोलते. आदर्श बोलने की आदत ही नहीं है. A school, it's not a school, it's school. आदर्श नहीं बोलते. बिल्कुल पूरा अ बोलने की आदत है. A smart, it's not a smart, smart. These are some smart way of talking. So that might look slightly ridiculous to some of you, but these are certain things which if you can memorize, it becomes very clear that how and what are the ways to speak English. English is not a very, very scientifically designed subject that you need to apply your rocket science brain. No, it's very simple. Only bit of common sense, application, and knowledge of few thousand of word power, for which I am trying my level best that I should, be able to reach out to you. More my accessibility is up to you, better that shall be for you to gain. Anyway, now let us come back to spunky. अभी हाल फिलहाल इंडिया और चाइना के बीच में, I'll just give you some clarification, explanation of the sentences wherein this word really figures, and you will be able to understand. हमारे LSC पे लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल पे बिटवीन इंडिया एंड चाइना, वन ऑफ आवर सोल्जर्स, in fact the total number of our martyred soldiers were 20 number, but they did not succumb so easily. वो इतनी आसानी से मरे नहीं, जैसा कि प्रधानमंत्री महोदय ने कहा कि वो मारते मारते मरे. What can I describe them? What should be the word which would be used for our brave hearts, our brave soldiers? That is the chirpy ones. वो आसानी से दे नॉट लेट आवर बाउंड्री बी अनडिफेंडेड. दे आर कॉल्ड स्पंकी सोल्जर्स. आ जाओ मैं बताता हूँ. किसी का गर्दन तोड़ दिया, किसी का स्पाइन कॉर्ड तोड़ दिया, एंड दैट इज द व्हाट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ए सोल्जर था. सिनेमा में आप लोग देखते हो माँ तुझे सलाम लोग बोलते हैं ना. दैट इज the brave, and your bravery really counts. That really reverberates for centuries and centuries together. The posterities will remember your name for your bravery. So let me discuss some of the words which are falling in the category of spunky and its meaning, which we call it synonyms. Courageous. Our soldiers were really courageous indeed. They fought with the Chinese and they mayhemed them. They put them under subjugation. We did not succumb. We fought with a great valor and might. If they killed one of our soldiers, we killed twice the number. So, courageous. Then fearless. माइंड यू वहाँ पे लड़ाई चल रही थी, हाथ से मुक्कम मारी, मुक्कम बाजी चल रही है, वो मुक्का मारा है, वो पत्थर से मारा है. सो इट इज़ अ बैटल ऑफ विट. दोज हु कैन अप्लाई देयर विट बेटर, ही इज ए सक्सेसफुल वॉरियर. ही इज ए स्पंकी एंड इंटेलिजेंट सोल्जर. अब देखो ये स्पंकी, इसका हम उल्टा देखेंगे तो क्या होगा? एकदम बेकार, टिमिड, लेजी, लेथार्जिक. अब मैं इसको, अब लोग सर बीच में क्यों सिनोनिम एंटोनिम कर दिए? समझाने के लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि घर में किसी घर में 2 बच्चा है, तो माँ बोलती है कि देखो मेरा बड़ा बेटा है, बहुत ही लेथार्जिक है, सुबह लेट उठता है, जल्दी सो भी जाता है. काम बोलो तो नहीं मम्मी ये तकलीफ़ है, वो तकलीफ़ है, मम्मा मेरे को क्यों बोलते हो, छोटू को बोलो ना. एंड छोटू इज़ नॉट ओनली गुड इन स्टडीज़, ही इज़ ए रियली स्पंकी चाइल्ड. मम्मी ये ले आए, पापा ये काम कर दें. एंड व्हेन एनी सिचुएशन ऑफ कहीं पर उलझने की बात होती है तो डिफेंड द कॉज ऑफ हिज फैमिली, ही इज़ ऑन द फ्रंट. तो ऐसे बच्चे को घर में भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. दीज वर्ड्स आर नॉट द मोनोपोली ऑफ ओनली सोल्जर्स अलोन. दीज वर्ड्स कुड बी यूज्ड एनीवेयर. It could be used everywhere. Only difference is that you have to understand the meaning and the situation where it can be used. Once you get to know the very theme and the very concretized sense where the word has to be used, matter is over. And that is the sole beauty of the word. Why you should pick up good words? That's the beauty. Now, energetic. कोई बच्चे को देखते होगे, यार छोटू जरा एक गिलास पानी, क्या मम्मी आप बार बार तंग करते हो, दीदी से बोलो ना. इट्स वाज टोटली worn out. He looks totally effete. No sense of, there is no energy in the body. He looks totally innovated. Out of, sense of energy. I am not using the word total energy, sense of energy. अरे feel तो करो that you are energetic, you are a child. You should get up and get the work done which your mom has said. No. Lethargic. He is not spunky. So those who are very courageous, very brave, very smart, smartly conducting all activities, all course of life, they are called spunky children. Spunky soldiers. अभी देखो एक सिनेमा आया था, MS धोनी का, जिसमें एक ग्रेट एक्टर, ए बडिंग एक्टर, मैं अभी ग्रेट तो नहीं बोलूँगा, ही वॉज ए बडिंग एक्टर, good actor, who had a tremendous future in days to come, who committed suicide, Sushant Singh Rajput. I will call him as a spunky child, spunky actor, very versatile, very talented, very bravely, he portrayed in the biopic of MS Dhoni, he conducted, and you must have seen his helicopter shot. He practiced a lot. नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि हीरो लोग जो होते हैं, दे आर सो यूज टू कंफर्ट्स एंड ग्लैमरस लाइफ दैट दे टेक हेल्प ऑफ बॉडी डबल्स, जिसको डुप्लीकेट बोलते हैं. ना बाबा ना, आई विल नॉट रिसोर्ट टू दिस काइंड ऑफ risky venture. Let somebody else do that. But this man, he practiced, and somebody was saying that he practiced for so many months to practice that helicopter shot. धोनी कैसे चलता था, the walking habits, the gait, the lumbering, the way, the process of ambling in between the crease while batting, running between the wickets. If you just see Dhoni and then Sushant Singh Rajput, I would not say similar, I will say identical. It was as if Dhoni is himself on the crease in the film. So, I am giving you these examples just to make you understand what does spunky mean. Now let us come to school. Some of the students are very lethargic. अरे आपने होमवर्क किया? सर कर लिया. दिखाओ, कल दिखा देंगे सर. But teachers are really popular, and they always like those students who are spunky children. होमवर्क में भी आगे, काम करने में आगे, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ में भी आगे, और यदि कहीं इंट्रा स्कूल की जो छोड़ दो, इंटर स्कूल का टूर्नामेंट हुआ, दे आर ऑलवेज इन द फोर फ्रंट. सो दीज आर चिल्ड्रन who are called spunky children, brave children, smart children, courageous children, participating children. So these words could be in a different situations, this could be used. Now let us look some more words. Vigorous, 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 full of energy. Valorous, spritedly, full of spirit. Now when you come back to antonyms, as I told you, what are the antonyms? Apathetic. वहाँ पे क्या है? You are very sensitive. Here apathetic, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, अरे हो जाएगा यार, मम्मी तो इससे बोलते रहती है. क्लास वर्क करना, छोड़ो यार, टीचर तो बोलते ही रहता है, स्कूल का तो काम ही है बोलना. You must have seen some of the child, the last day, whenever the last copy is to be submitted, they will come on the last day, the last benchers. Apathetic, कोई सेंस नहीं. Fearful. The brave children are unmindful of the consequences. But here, if it is antonyms of spunky, it is fearful. डर जाएगा, अरे यार. आप इमेजिन करो कि हमारे सोल्जर्स यदि डर जाते बॉर्डर पे, तो क्या हसर होता. अगले दिन मीडिया में क्या न्यूज आती? The timid Indian forces ran away, showing their back. But my soldiers were not that. They broke the backbone. They broke the jaws of the Chinese. That is called befitting reply. These are the valor of the Bihar regiment soldiers who taught a lesson that is called tit for tat to the Chinese. Inactive. Inactive is opposed to spunky. Whereas spunky is very active. अभी बताया ना, extra curricular activities, yes sir. Debate, yes sir. Impromptu speech, yes sir. Dancing program, yes sir. Everywhere, yes sir. But some of the children are totally inactive. That छोड़ो यार, कौन जाता है. Lethargic, 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 बिल्कुल lazy टाइप का. Lifeless, timid. Timid मतलब बुज़दिल. Pakistani soldiers are timid. They do not have courage to fight with Indian soldiers. That's why they take the help of terrorists. they are taking the help of jihadis, and they are always on a lookout to send somebody into, rather sneak into the Indian territory clandestinely so that they can involve in the act of terrorism. They are called timid. But Indian soldiers are brave. They are called brave hearts. Now look at some of the sentences which would be very useful for making these uses of the word quite often. The spunky behavior of my elder brother helped resurrect the family standard going up. It's not that only brave के लिए आप यूज करो. You must have seen कोई घर में 4 या 5 बच्चे होते हैं, उसमें there is 1 or 2 guy who is so smart that he takes the family status up by his sheer efforts. So that is called spunky behavior, spunky attitude, spunky exposure. अब जैसे कोई बच्चा 10th करने के बाद 11th 12th करने के बाद सैनिक स्कूल चला जाता है या फिर एनडीए चला जाता है, तो वहाँ पे वो सरवाइव नहीं कर पाएगा इफ़ यू आर नॉट हैविंग स्पंकी एटीट्यूड. एनडीए में सस्टेन करना 3 साल इज नेक्स्ट टू हेल इफ़ यू डोंट टेक इन अ स्पिरिटेड मैनर. वहाँ पर जो कैडेट्स होते हैं दे आर इन सच ए हाई लेवल मोरालिटी, मॉरल अपलिफ्टेड स्टेज, कम वॉट में, कितना भी यातना दिया जाए, आई विल डू दैट. एंड दैट इज देयर beauty. And once the day of passing out parade comes, you can see the sense of jubilation in the parents' eye. They are so happy seeing their son, their brave heart and soul getting commissioned into Indian Army, Air Force or Navy. That is the beauty. So unless and until a child develops spunky habits, what is spunky habits? Looking for yourself, outreaching to any act, to any job, to any responsibility with sense of valor, without any fear, without any prejudice, with a sense of predetermined conviction that I will do it, I shall do it. So my dear loving children, these are few words, these are very small steps. I give you a very good example, one of the best example, which when Neil Armstrong went to the moon, this is story of 1969. So the first step which was put on the moon was of Neil Armstrong. They were American astronauts, 3 American astronauts were there. So when he set his foot on the moon, he said, this is a small step but a giant leap forward for the mankind. कितनी बड़ी बात है. कहा कि भाई रोज़ तो धरती पे मैं रोज़ चलता था, लेकिन चंद्रमा पे मेरी पहला स्टेप है, लेकिन आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा उदाहरण स्वरूप द्योतक बन जाएगा. ये छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स मैं जो आपको बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, दिस इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल वर्ड. मे बी दैट इन योर लाइफ यू विल गो मच अहेड, वेरी फार इन योर लाइफ ऑफ सक्सेस. But if you try to practice small things which is being suggested by your elders, that will help you not only shape your life, but once you are shaped to be a successful man, that will shape the destiny of my nation. क्योंकि हमारे देश में आजकल जितने अच्छे लोग नहीं हैं, उससे ज़्यादा बुरे लोगों की पैदावार तैयार हो रही है. गद्दारों की खेती बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है. हर 2 मिनट पे देश से क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, वाई नॉट. वो कभी अपने आप से क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछते कि मैंने देश के लिए क्या किया, मैंने देश को क्या दिया. वो हर समय उनकी पेट इतनी बड़ी है और उनकी अभिलाषा इतनी तीव्र है कि वो हर समय देश को खाने के लिए बैठे हुए हैं. इसलिए कभी भी देश से क्वेश्चन मत पूछना. जब आप आगे बढ़ना तो हर समय देश को देने की कोशिश करना, फिर देखना धरती माँ कितनी प्यारी, कितनी अच्छी लगती है। धन्यवाद।
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय